Squirrel. I seen him flying with it. It's definitely a squirrel. His tail moving too. It's a big old squirrel. Oh, I seen him flying. I'm like, what that bird got? He looking like what they looking at. Oh, nature's at its best. The circle of life. Poor little squirrel. Look at the squirrel, y'all. He just hanging and hanging. Oh, he coming. Oh, look at. Yeah. He took it. He took the squirrel. Oh, poor little Tink Tink. Oh no. Y'all, we in the house painting and I got all the blinds down. So we painting and we see I said, gee, what is that flying? It flew right across.
He grabbed him from right here. That's our squirrel.
He came from over there and I said, gee, that bird just had something. It was a hawk, wasn't it?
Yeah, hawk.
A hawk, y'all. Well, that's part of the nature circle. All right, back to the drawing board.
That motherfucker